Title of the story: The Journey to the Moon. One day, in a peaceful forest, all the animals, birds, and villagers were gathered around a strange glowing tree. A magical breeze blew through, and a wise old owl announced, "Tonight, we will visit the moon." The villagers were astonished, while the animals buzzed with excitement. A little boy named Jack asked, "But how can we reach the moon?" Just then, the glowing tree released a stream of sparkling light that formed into a stairway reaching up to the sky. The owl led the way, and soon everyone, bears, foxes, rabbits, birds, and humans, began climbing the magical staircase one by one. As they reached the moon, they marveled at the silver landscape glowing softly under their feet. The moon welcomed them with a warm, gentle light, casting long shadows on the lunar surface. Birds flew around joyfully, and rabbits hopped playfully in the soft, dust-like moon soil. The moon spoke in a calm voice, "I have watched you all for so long. Tonight, you are my guests. Explore, dance, and see what it's like up here." Children and animals ran around, laughing, while the villagers gazed at Earth from far away. A fox dug into the moon's surface. Birds chirped excitedly as they soared higher than ever before. And Jack smiled, feeling the magic of the moment. As the night wore on, the moon softly said, "It's time to return to Earth." The glowing stairway reappeared, and one by one, everyone descended back to the forest. That night, under the light of their new friend the moon, everyone slept peacefully, knowing they had shared a magical adventure beyond the stars. The end.